through dripping Aquafina. I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. That chicken.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally upgrading this terribly good E30 suspension. So this is what we've got: some Koni Sport Yellows for the front, some H&R springs, some Koni Sports rears, some drop links and top mounts.
You ready?
Yeah.
Might need these extenders.
So we've taken the caliper off and now we're removing the lower control arm. As you can see, Jake's in a happy.
Yeah, I'm in a right cheerful mood.
Yeah, right cheerful mood he is, right cheerful.
No, you're winding me up.
I'm winding him up. Yeah,
I need a...
Jack got stuck, my fault. It's all my fault.
I need a 19.
It's on the end of the...
Yeah, I know it is. Jesus.
He couldn't even reach for that.
No, look.
The sun's in a weird angle, messing up the shot.
Are you ready?
We didn't need these extensions, by the way. And that's it, it's rounded off now, so job done. See you next time.
No, it's just the gun's shit, basically.
The gun's shit now. Considering that I bought the gun, it's shit.
No, you didn't.
Whereas if he bought the gun, it'd be amazing.
No, I wanted the DeWalt one.
Yeah, and I said we'll get the DeWalt one.
No, what you said was, no, electric impact guns are rubbish.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Why would anyone say that?
Well, I'm a liar then.
No, I think you're delusional.
Yeah.
It's now March. We've been waiting so long. This is only one. He's got another 3 to do.
You do the rest.
I'm not doing them.
Yeah, I bet. So I'll do all the hard work while you sit there with a camera.
That's the way it works.
Did that come off?
Yeah.
13.
So we finally got everything undone. And here's the moment of truth.
Watch the bonnet.
Oh god, that's heavy, that's heavy, that's heavy, that's heavy, that's really heavy.
Are you ready? Gaz and I score.
Apparently Jake said Gaz needed to leave his car here, so he has. I know it's had a new paint job, it's all blended, a bit in the middle that looks a bit weird, but it's all colour matched correctly. That's silver apparently. Not some weird green or yellow. But, you know. So yes, if you like Ford, plenty of room inside. And then the newer model is behind it, which is also a piece of
shit.
Yeah. That's it. Need a compressor.
Go on then. No, can't tell, I'm extremely busy here. Get some of the best shots. I don't know where,
Well then,
but we've got some. Why do we
not
need them?
look. Well, to get this bolt off
Right.
at the top,
Yeah.
to get the shock out,
Yeah.
you have to have John locks or tool. And I know we've got a tool, which is you, but we don't have the correct tool.
Well, obviously you're the tool
Yeah.
for not thinking of it.
Yeah, and you
Prior.
said, yeah, we do have channel locks, so we're fine. Now we get to today,
No,
we
I
had
said-
channel locks, and now I don't know where they've been. I saw them when I was a kid, about 5 years old.
Shall we ask the 8 ball?
Uh,
What are you doing?
Can't remember. What am I doing?
Is everything going to go smooth sailing?
It's not. It's already gone.
The 8
terribly
ball will
wrong.
answer. It's never wrong. Look, I asked it when I did the brakes.
Will this suspension refresh go according to plan?
What does it say?
It could be absolutely, or you'll have to wait.
Well, I said we'll have to wait.
They're indecisive, this. Hey, ball.
But very accurate.
Right, where's channel locks?
How much are you supposed to compress them?
Enough so it don't fly through the window.
Alright, update.
So once you've got the top mount off, which, as you can see, has seen better days.
That's not hard to, is it?
No old. Cold spring. Little bit of a difference. These are the, I assume the stock ones from 30 years ago. They might have been changed since, but you know. Old ones.
Or new ones.
Yeah, new ones even. 35mm drop. To get the strut out the housing, you need a channel lock or a special tool. Unfortunately, we can't find ours, so we're going to pop it to the garage and get them to undo it. As Jake's gone to try and get the shock removed, I've decided to remove the old drop link. As you can see, a little bit worn. I say a little bit, I think it's past it. So once you've got this knot off, you can get the special tool to do it. However, we got the garage to do it. 20 quid to remove 2 of these, can you believe it? I won't comment on that garage. And this is the old strut. I think it's leaking a bit. I think it's leaking a lot. This is softest.
Right on the hardest.
So we'll leave it there. So it's one turn, well, one half turn. Seems a bit depressing putting it in.
Just done it.
Like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffing. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby.
These are Mihail HD. They're meant to be good. So Jake's just gone to get the garage to tighten the nut that they charged us 20 quid to untighten or undo. As we weren't actually sure on the order the bump stop and the dust cover went on, the garage will also check we've actually assembled it right. I think it's right, but if I'm spending 20 quid, you might as well get some advice anyway. Our intention is to finish this, and then we need to do the bushings, the control arm. We've also got the 325 anti-roll bars front and back to fit, so we're going to go for the power flex bushings on that. Most of the car is actually clean underneath, there's no rust elsewhere. In the footwell, on the driver's side, we've got this. This will definitely need welded before May, as it's probably, well, it's an MOT advisory last year, so we're going to get this done. For now, I'm just going to treat the rust. So I painted it on, and once it's reacting with the rust, it goes purple. I finally got the other shock out, but look what we found. So it's the original BMW part sticker. And the date on it is the 31st of October 1996.
Crazy.
At least one side was replaced then. As you can probably tell, it was long overdue. So this was the same age as the fuel filter we changed a while back, because that had 1995 time on it.
I've got a photo of it somewhere.
Yeah, we've got a photo of it, you'll see it. So the rear springs are finally off. The rear springs are actually quite difficult for some reason, like our trailing arm didn't go down further enough. However, it did come off in the end. And here are the new springs versus the old. Little bit of a drop. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's going to be dragging.
So hopefully we might get these back together.
Crazy, ain't it?
Do the drop again. As you can see, we've put the rear one on. It looks pretty low, as you can see. At least you can see the rear ones.
Yeah.
High performance disc brakes. Also seen on the latest McLaren.
Had a handful of lemons through the hand, got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, got it.
So this is day 2. It turned into a little bit of a nightmare doing this. It ended up, the Koni shock, the inside rubber boot, it was stuck. So we had to get that out. And then the track rod end needed replaced, so I had to find one of those, which wasn't easy, and then we've done that. But now it is all back together. What do you think? Hey, what do you think then?
Oh, I'm chuffed.
Do you think it was worth it?
Yeah, long 2 days, hasn't it?
Yes, it's been a long 2 days, but this is the lowered stance. I think it's quite good. We're not able to drive it at the minute as the battery's flat and we don't have a charger, we don't have jump leads.
Yeah.
So it's all Jake's fault.
Yeah, it's all my fault. I can't be that lively, you know. I'm not with it yet.
Why not? Why can't it be lively?
It's what time is it?
So it's just gone 6 o'clock. We've had to jump the beamer as it wouldn't start, obviously. Jake left the lights on and flattened the battery.
No, I didn't. You left the boot open.
So now it's 6 o'clock and we're waiting for the car to demist as it's quite foggy.
Oh, I've got like 20 minutes left yet of waiting.
Oh, I feel great.
Yeah,
I'd like an hour's sleep. I don't mind, do I? See, perfect way to let your car defrost. Sit inside with your coffee.
I need my mug.
More pop.
I'm taking it with me.
I'll put it in the back then. Well, I'm not carrying your mug.
Bloody Gareth's car.
I know, Gareth left his car here.
No, can't get out.
So you impressed?
Yeah, I love it. Oh God, it feels amazing. And that's only suspension. Once we start doing the rest of it, we need power, don't we?
Right, get the engine ordered.
Like, it's coming together, just that main bit, and it's incredible. But I'm
amazing what changing 30-year-old suspension does.
Oh, I know. But I've got no fuel now. I forgot my bank card.
Oh yeah, that's convenient. Oh, well, you just have to make your own way home. Oh look, there's the other BMW garage.
You'll have to... Oh, look, Minnie.
Sitting up. Mini. Yeah.
We've got an electric problem.
That's it, bulbs just blew up. Porsche.
Yeah, might have one day. Dare I say, it even sounds slightly quieter, like the road noise.
Yeah.
We need tyres, don't we? We need tyres. I remember picking it up. We went all the way to London, didn't we?
Yeah.
And I remember going through those twisty corners just towards the M1, and it felt like crap. Now, I don't know. I'm speechless. You know, it's unreal.
Do you think we need a manual box?
Yeah, we need a map. Well, we've got one.
Yeah, we just need to put the manual box in.
Yeah.